Alright, so that was a strange thing. I received this really cool set of Crayola crayons that I didn't purchase, so thanks to whoever they sent it to us. It says that it was sent from North Las Vegas. There's no... On the tracking, it doesn't really say exactly the name or whoever sent it, but hey, thank you anyway. I'm going to open this up to see what it's like. It says, I guess one of the perks of being an influencer is that you get free stuff, and I love it. Let's see here. Packs. Let's see what the crayons look like. Wow, they look good. They look really good. So I guess yeah, wonderful. Typical Crayola. Excellent quality, looks like. Thank you. Fantastic.